Welcome to this video going over numbers 1 through 4 on the Chapter 1 test. The first three problems deal with union and intersection, and the fourth deals with collinearity of points. So what I'd like to do is start by showing you the initial diagram and giving you a strategy you can use to simplify what you're looking at in the diagram. So there are a lot of lines and segments drawn on here. What I'm going to suggest is let's just consider the points in the diagram. All right, remove all the clutter and just think about how we can view the things we're given in 1, 2, and 3 in isolation without any of the other confusing things there. Okay, so first, if we look at number 1, we're looking for the intersection of AC and the line EC. So AC is a segment that starts at A and ends at C. So I'm going to draw that in. AC. Okay, there it is. And we want to find the intersection with the line EC. So the line EC connects E and C, and the fact that it's a line means that it's going to continue on forever in both directions. So I'll first put it on here and then I'll extend it. So I'm going to connect E and C, and then I'm going to extend this a little apart from the red lines, the red segment, so that you can see where they overlap. And this is going to continue on forever. Okay, so what we have is the segment AC and the line EC. And what we're looking for is the intersection, which means where they overlap. From looking here, the area where both colors are present is the segment AC. Okay? So what we'll put here is AC. Let's see, I'll just write it as AC, and it's a segment. Okay? You see that? There it is. All right? So let's try the same strategy for number 2. So I'm going to delete these segments and lines that I'd drawn in. And now let's take a look at number 2. We're going to start with array FD. It starts at F and continues on forever in the direction of D. Okay, so it's going to start at F and it's going to go towards D forever. Okay? The other thing we're intersecting it with is the angle CED. The angle CED is going to start, well not start, but it's going to go from C to E to D. However, an angle is formed by two rays, so it's going to start with one ray being EC and the other ray being ED. Okay, and I've continued them on to show that they go on forever. So what we have here when we look at the intersection of the ray FD and the angle CED, remembering that CED is formed by the union of two rays, is the segment EF. Okay, EF. It's a segment. All right. So let me see if I can. Let's see what we've got. Well, I'll just keep going here. The next one, all right, so I'm going to try the same strategy. I'm going to delete the things that I have in here, and I'm going to start again. The next thing I'm going to do is the union of two rays. The union of AG, so AG starts at A and continues through G forever, and the ray AD. We're doing a union, so I'm going to draw these both in the same color because we're going to include both sets of points. So both rays are going to be joined together. That's the union. So when I look at what I have here, once I've drawn the ray AG and the ray AD, I have the angle GAD. Now this may have been confusing when you tried to draw it on the sketch above because you don't see anything connecting G and A, but that's okay because recall that any 2 points are collinear, so you may connect them with a line, or in this case a ray. So what we have here is the angle GAD. That's what we're going to put in here. Angle GAD. D. You could similarly write angle DAG, okay? However, you cannot say angle A, even though in this picture it looks like there's only one angle at A. In the main diagram, there are multiple angles at A, so we won't use angle A. We may use angle GAD and angle DAG. Either one of those is okay. All right? So finally, and I'll take this off here. For number 4, are F and C collinear? Well, by definition, 2 points determine a line. So any 2 points are collinear because you can draw a line between them. So F and C are collinear because we can draw a line that connects the 2 points. All right, F and C are collinear? Yes. Yes. All right. So this is the conclusion of this explanation of numbers 1 through 4, and I hope you find this strategy of just looking at the points and trying to eliminate the clutter from the diagrams helpful. All right.